All right, welcome back to the class. Let's see. We talked about how to remove background, and 2 days ago we talked about the three most important tools in graphics. So today we are doing a picture editing, and we are going to be using two things. I'm going to be using the spots remover. We are going to be using the healing brush, and we are going to be using camera raw filter, healing brush, and camera raw filter. And at the end of the video, at the end of today's video, you will be able to edit your image in a way that is going to have a very good skin smoothing and it's not going to spoil your image. This is a hack for photographers and majorly graphic designers that design better design. So this is let's imagine this is the image your client sent to you, and this image have spots on the face. You see there are many spots on our face, and this is where we are going to get started. The first we are going to be doing is we are going to duplicate this image by clicking on Ctrl J to duplicate the image, and we click on Ctrl J to duplicate the image. We are going to go to our toolbar and click on the healing tool. So we have healing brush tool. This is the work of the healing brush tool. Healing brush tool in every spot in the face of an image, and this is it. You see these spots. When you click on the spot, it removes the spot immediately. When you click on this spot, it removes the spot. Let me zoom in so you can see. When you click on this spot, it removes the spot immediately. So we are going to be doing that for all the spots on the image. And if you don't have access to this image you are using as a practical, you can check my group on WhatsApp to have access to it. I will check the description below to have access to it. So now let's remove the spots, and I will be doing that now. All right, so now we have removed all the spots on the image. Let's check our before and after. This is the before, and after we use our spot image brush, we have this image as after. So the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to include high pass. High pass, the work of high pass is to increase the sharpness of your image. How do we get that? On that layer where you duplicate off the one below, you don't need that one. That one is just to show your before and after. So on that area, you Ctrl J to duplicate. When you duplicate the layer, you go to filter, you go to others, you go to high pass, and you set it to 3. So when you set it to 3, click OK. Then you go to your manipulation bar, which is the transparency bar on your layer. You change it to overlay. Now this is what it does to the image. Let's increase the picture so that we can see. Now the before the high pass, you see, after the high pass, it increased the sharpness of the image. Before the high pass, after the high pass, it increased the sharpness, the texture of the skin increase. So we are going to be doing something on the high pass. We are going to be cleaning the eyes so that it will not affect the eyes and the teeth. So let's click on our brush tool and do that. So when you click on your brush tool and do that, it will clean out the eyes. So the hardness should be 100 and diameter can be set to anyone you want. So I clean the eyes so that the eye pass will not affect the eyes. So let's clean the eyes and the teeth. So we clean the eyes and the teeth. So after that, then we are going to move to the third aspect, which is the last aspect in the design. But before we do that, you select both layers you are working on, the high pass and the healing brush. So let's name it healing brush. Don't forget to always name your folder healing brush tool, and let's name this high pass. So we are going to convert both of them to smart object. Convert them to smart object, and we go to filter and we go to camera raw filter. So in camera raw filter, you are going to be doing some kind of magic. And at the end of these things, you'll be able to see it like, all those pictures you used to see on cream adverts that they are going to look sharp, smooth skin and everything. They are going to be doing this here. So now we have the basics, curve, details, everything on camera raw filter. But today we are going to be using only basic and details. So basic, we are going to, don't overdo on this place. If you overdo, it might affect your image. So the first thing we do, we increase the temperature a little. You see our skin is glowing. Is it not glowing? It's glowing. Then we increase the contrast a little. Then we expose it a little. Highlight, we decrease the highlight a bit. So we decrease the texture. So we decrease the texture, we decrease the clarity so that it can be smooth. So we reduce it a bit. So exposure should come. Yeah, so our skin will glow. So after that, we go to vibrance and saturation. We increase the vibrance, and we go to details. We increase the sharpness, and we reduce the noise. So this is what we got. After, this is the before image. This is the before image, and this is after we finish editing. Before, after, before, after, before, after. So leave your rating in the comment section. See smooth skin, fine being. So now that's how to edit your image very faster. No much things, no much layers. It's just a very simple thing to do. So and this is your assignment. The image, the raw one, is being sent into the WhatsApp group. If you are not in my WhatsApp group, you can click on the link inside the description to join my WhatsApp group. Then go there. You are going to see this assignment. You are going to take this assignment. You are going to edit your image to this and submit it directly to the assignment group on WhatsApp too. So if we gain a lot from this and you have been following me for all these days, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And tomorrow we are going to be doing more other things on photo editing. And that one, tomorrow we are going to be starting a flyer design project, and we are going to be designing a social media flyer design. I'm going to be teaching you everything about social media design from A to Z. So don't miss out tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be hands-on. It might take 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So you have to take your time to wait, and you are going to learn a lot from that small design. Take care of yourself. You are going to be meeting tomorrow. If you are my student, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and drop a comment so that I can know that you attend to this class. So we are going to meet you tomorrow. Have a wonderful time.